Hey there, and welcome back to another Throw It On Thursday. I'm in kind of an interesting situation here. I find myself with a 3-pound chunk of pork butt. I recently made some summer sausage and I have a little pork butt left over that I need to figure out what to do with. So this morning I had this brilliant idea. Let's make some bratwurst. You know, pulling out all that equipment to grind up 3 pounds of meat and then get my sausage stuffer out to stuff the casings, that's a little more work than I want to do today, especially for just 3 pounds of meat. But I figured I could still make bratwurst, just make it into patties, and instead of grinding it with my meat grinder, I'm going to put it in my food processor and chop it up real fine. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. I've never made bratwurst patties like that before. So let's give it a try on this Throw It On Thursday. Here's my pork butt, or what's left of my pork butt. It's just a little over 3 pounds. I'm going to cube it up a little bit. That way when I put it in my food processor will have a little easier time chopping it up. As usual, I will fast forward through this part. I like the seasonings that PS Seasoning has, so I'm going to be using their Sheboygan brat seasoning for this batch of bratwurst patties. I think I'm going to be adding the seasoning right to this pork butt before it gets put in the food processor. That way that seasoning will get distributed nice and evenly throughout there. I think I'm going to grind half of it at a time. It's looking really good. Maybe a little bit more. This is a really nice food processor. It's a Cuisinart. It's quiet, and it's doing a nice job of chopping this up. I'm going to mix this up a little bit by hand just to make sure everything's well combined. I think that should be good. It's just as sticky as it would be with ground up sausage from an actual food grinder. Time to form these into 1/4 pound portions. Perfect. All right, 12 1/4 pound patties. Well, they're not patties yet. They soon will be. To make our bratwurst patties, I'm going to be using this patty press. It's a nice tool for making really uniform patties. To help form it, I'm going to wet a piece of wax paper that'll make it nice and easy to slip off once we get a pressed patty. Perfect. Ten more to go. And there we are, 12 perfectly formed bratwurst patties. I'm going to be freezing these individually and then enjoying them throughout the next couple months. But first, I think we need to take one of these and make one for lunch. Looking good. I like brown mustard on mine. And some raw onions. Sorry about this, Mary, if you're watching this. I know you hate onions. If you're going to make a brat burger, don't put onions on your burger. My sister Mary never has liked onions. And now, top it off. That's a nice, thick brat burger. Again, my favorite part of Throw It On Thursday, getting to try what I made. This was a quick, easy one. Man, I love that bratwurst seasoning that I got from Pia Seasoning. Great stuff. It's got a really nice texture, even though I didn't put it through the meat grinder. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. We're going to be doing a few more Rob and Patty on the Run videos coming up soon. While you're watching this video, I think Patty and I are somewhere in the Caribbean. Isn't that right, Patty?
Yeah, man.
Don't feel too bad for us. I enjoyed this Throw It On Thursday. Just took a leftover piece of pork butt, chopped it up a little bit in the food processor, and made some pretty outstanding bratwurst patties. As usual, I'm having a good day. I hope whatever you're doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.